Hello, Stamping friends. This is Monica Gibberti with Stamping with Monica, and I am here to announce my birthday fancy kit alternatives class. That's a lot of words. This class will include your whole kit. So this is a kit that we are offering in the online store, and it is an all-inclusive kit, meaning that this kit will have a stamp, a block, and an ink spot for you, plus supplies to create 12 cards, and you will see them right here. What I am going to offer you are 6 different cards that I have designed using elements from the kit that I have, added to it. So what you will receive in your class is the whole kit, plus you will receive the envelopes for the 6 cards, okay? And you will receive half a pack of the gold striped ribbon that is finally back in stock, and a full pack of the holographic dots, okay? So what I will provide also is a PDF with instructions. I will do all the sorting. So inside of each of your envelopes, you will have all the pieces that you will need to recreate your cards, like the extra cardstock that I will include, the little pieces that I will separate from your kit, but I will not cut, meaning your kit includes, let me open mine. Your kit includes these parts. So as I said, the ink spot, the stamp set, then you will have adhesive, a block, you will have this huge sheet of dimensionals, you will have 12 envelopes and 12 card fronts. These are the patterns of the card front. Now, what you will have left, so this is the part that I will not cut, but I will give you the instructions on how to cut, okay? That will be something that you will have to do. What you will have left out of the whole kit is the 3, 6, 9 card front. So I'm using one of each for the alternative. All the envelopes, they will stay with you. And then this is what you will have left. Let me grab my part here. This is what is left that I took some, but you also have full sheets of elements, so you'll be able to recreate more cards, maybe using the samples that are here in the instructions, because your kit comes with instructions of some. It gives you ideas on how to put together the cards that are included in the kit, and in the front you can see them here, okay? So this class, as a quick turnaround for the registration, I will post all the details in my email. So if you would like to get all the details, then you have the email to read. Cost of the class is $50 pickup or in person. I'm offering this class in person in my studio on February 28th, or you can get it to go, because it will be easy peasy since most of the work is done. The only thing that you will have to do is take out the parts from the envelope, maybe cut like here the card front, and then assemble and stamp. The stamping is easy peasy. So I hope that you'll be interested in signing up for this fun class. I am not going to give away all the details. This is a class that I designed that I had to put on hold because this ribbon was not available. So now that it is, I'm afraid it's going to go away again. So I am going to open the registration and have a quick turnaround for the class. Remember, the class can be taken in my studio and in person, or you can pick it up That will be both will be $50. If you decided to take it to go, I will ship it to you. Then we just need to add $8 for the shipping. Okay, I hope you're taking advantage of this beautiful class because I had really, really fun designing it. Thank you. Bye-bye.